Hello, dear aspirant. This is Dr. Sourav Sir's class. We are solving the CSIR NET 2024 June Mathematics 2024 question. So the question is from our part B. So it's a single correct question. So the question tells us that consider the set A is equals to what? So I'm gonna write it. Yeah. So our AB a set where our x belongs to q, that means our x's are rationals. After that, this inequality we got in our question, so the question gives us this as a subset of a real set, that means this is this. So which of the following statements is true? So we have to find the supremum and infimum of that. Okay, so let us divide this inequality in two parts. So from the first part we will get what? We will get only this thing. So we will get our 0 is greater than equals to 0 is greater than 0 here. So our x is always positive. Yeah. So now from the second part, we have to think now about the second part. So we will get only this thing, root over of 2 minus 1 x, that will be less than equals to my root 2 plus 1. So my x is now what? That is root 2 by our root 2 minus 1. Then we can do some rational operations here. So this rational operation will occur by multiplying upper and low, by multiplying numerator and its denominator with the help of root 2 plus 1. Yeah. Why I am why am I multiplying with root 2 plus 1? I will explain you later, or rather you can easily see that thing, that this is my a minus b and a plus b. So what is the formula will give us now a square minus b square, that is 2 minus 1. So the upper side we will get, yeah. So now this is my less than 1 and this will be root 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 root 2 into 1. So from this we will get this thing, 2 plus 1 plus 2 root 2 by 1. So our x is less than 3 plus 2 root 2. So our x is positive and x is less than 3 plus 2 root 2. That means we got the supremum of the set. So our supremum of A, the set is named as A, no? Yeah. So our supremum of A is what? This is my 3 plus 2 root 2. So our option B, I think it's on our B. Yeah. So our B is correct. Okay. Thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you guys. Study hard for your examinations, prepare well, and rock the examination. Okay. Thank you.